Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today topic is about what is the tandem lifting operation. Two or more crane used to lift the loads or equipment called as a tandem lifting operation. What are the hazards involving in tandem lifting operation? Suspended load, fall of load, crane collapse, damaged tools and tackles, mechanical failure, improper ringing, uncontrolled movements of load, improper signaling, nearby structure, uneven ground condition, uncertified tools and tackles, overhead power lines, unidentified load capacity, collision of load with nearby structure, untrained incompetent operator, riggers and supervisor, weather, heavy wind, unauthorized person entry, communication, poor maintenance of cranes, tools and tackles, ground condition. What are the precaution measures to be followed for the lifting operation? General lifting plan should be made available. Critical lifting plan should be developed for the specific lifting operation. Permit to work procedure to be implemented. Third party trained lifting supervisor operator trigger should be appointed for the operation. Proper communication walkie-talkie should be provided for communication. Crane lifting gear should be certified by the third party inspector. Do not stand under the suspended load. Do not operate or lifting load during adverse weather, heavy wind. Ensure all the safety devices, limit uses of working condition. Anemometer is in working condition. Outrigger shall be extended fully and kept on the pads. Lifting operation only shall be controlled by one authorized personnel only with operator. Pre-use inspection for tools and cranes and gear should be done. Provide the exclusion zone and signages. Keep the flagman to control the vehicle movements and workers' movements around the lifting operation area. Ensure the ground condition, loose soils and manholes before place the outriggers. Use the tech lines to control the loads. Ensure the load capacity of lifting tools and tackles. Thanks for watching my video.